Hey there! Are you looking for a high-performance cordless vacuum that saves you time and effort with automatic self-emptying and powerful suction? If the answer is yes, then you are definitely in the right place, because today we are taking a look at the UWANT V500 cordless vacuum cleaner, an all-in-one cleaning solution that is built for convenience, deep cleaning, and smart dust management. Perfect for homes with pits, hard floors, or just lots of daily mess. But before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by UWANT in exchange for a review, and while I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever. My review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always, so stick around as we explore everything that this vacuum has to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. For the unboxing, as you can see, you will find the vacuum itself, the self-emptying base station, all the different attachments, 2 sealed dust bags, the battery pack, and all the accessory needed to get started. Setup is super simple, it's all ready to go right out of the box. The standout feature of the V500 is the self-emptying base station. It automatically transfers all the collected debris into a sealed 1.8-liter dust bag, which means no more having to manually empty the dust bin. And with the ring scraper technology, it even wipes the dust off the vacuum pipe during ducking twice by default, but you can fully customize the scrapping behavior if you want to push the button to do it manually. Another thing I love is the dust scrap tick. It completely eliminates the need to touch or clean the dust cup. You can manage the scrapping frequency and stop-start at any time based on your cleaning routine. The green LED light dust detection is a game changer. It reveals microscopic dust particles on hard floors so you don't miss a spot. And the V-shaped anti-tangle brush is designed specifically to prevent hair wrap, which is a lifesaver, especially if you have pets or long hair in your household. Its 3-in-1 base station does everything from charging, storing, and emptying as well, all in one compact setup. That means your vacuum is always powered, organized, and ready to go when you need it, and you don't have to empty it at all. Traditional vacuums need wall mounts or get propped up, and their batteries often die when you need them, while the UWANT's base station handles charging, dust collection, and storage, so it's always ready, clean, and organized. Power-wise, this vacuum delivers an impressive 50,000 power of suction, gives you 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Standard, and Boost mode, so whether it's crumbs, pet hair, or deep carpet dirt, the V500 can handle it all, and thanks to the 7-layer filtration system, it traps 99.98% of dust, allergens, and PM2.5 particles, keeping your air clean and your motor protected. You will also get up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, and it takes just 3 hours to recharge. That is plenty of time to clean your whole house without stopping. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing vacuum UWANT V500. If you are looking for a powerful suction, smart dust disposal, and pet hair friendly design, then don't wait. Click the link in the description to get yours now and enjoy a effortless, mess-free vacuuming like never before. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.